The cancer dies when you eat these 7 foods. Time to start eating them. A recent study has found that there are 7 types of foods and drink that can stop the cancer and tumor growth and help the body in killing the cancer cells. These 7 foods and drinks have powerful anti-carcinogenic properties. These foods and drinks include red wine, blueberries, curry, tomatoes, green tea and black chocolate. Many scientists and medical experts have stated that these foods are even more effective than the conventional chemotherapy treatment. What caused their hidden power? The mentioned foods can actually stop the blood supply to the tumor cells property which is known anti-angiogenesis. Well, this type of process involves the creation of new blood vessels in the human body. This angiogenesis process is enhanced in some periods of our lives, especially in newborns. At adults, this process activates in case of wound when tissues and capillaries need to be regenerated and refreshed. The angiogenesis process is usually regulated by activator and inhibitor molecules, and usually inhibitors predominate. So when there are carcinogenic cells in the human body, they stimulate the activators to increase the vascular growth. This results in the production of new blood vessels. The cancer cells release their activators of angiogenesis. These are the molecules that trick the human body and stimulate the growth of new blood vessels that supply the tumor to nutrients and oxygen. Foods that stop angiogenesis. Tomatoes. A recent study conducted by a group of researchers at the Harvard University has found that people who consume tomato juice more than 5 times a month have significantly reduced their risk of prostate cancer by almost 50%. Tomatoes are loaded with the compound lycopene, which has strong anti-angiogenic properties. Lycopene is a fat-soluble compound, and this is why it requires proper absorption through the digestive tract. Did you know that the vitamin C content in tomatoes is significantly increased when tomatoes are exposed to high temperatures or cooked with oil? Amazing, right? Curry. The curry dishes include another useful substance, turmeric powder. Well, this is extremely useful and powerful spice. It speeds up the fat burning process and improves the health in general. You should add turmeric to your meals every day. Red wine. Grape is loaded with resveratrol. This natural compound has powerful antioxidant properties, and it can reduce the risk of cancer. Some medical studies have found that this powerful compound can inhibit cancer growth, kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi, increases lifespan in animals, improves the energy production of human cells, it eliminates the dangerous and harmful free radicals, increases glucose tolerance to diabetes, improves heart function, improves physical and mental function and concentration, repairs the damaged DNA. It also prevents the cell damage caused by nuclear radiation. 1 glass of red wine, 225 ml, contains about 640 microgram of resveratrol. There are also resveratrol supplements as well. They are often in combination with extracts from grape or other natural antioxidants. They are usually taken in doses of 200-600 microgram per day. According to scientific study, Bordeaux and Pinot Noir contain the most of this powerful compound. Blueberries. These delicious fruits are loaded with many healthy nutrients. They have rich amounts of phytochemicals which can protect from many different types of cancer. Blueberries are also able to reduce the oxidative stress and stop angiogenesis. They are also very useful in protecting and fighting against ovarian cancer. Thanks for watching. We really hope you will consume these foods on daily basis and you will protect yourselves from this terrible disease. If you enjoyed this post, please share it with your friends and family.